Okay, this is a brand new pre-foreclosure. This property's going up to the courthouse for sale, I think next week. The bank's asked me to come by, check it out, let them know if it's occupied, what's going on with it. So I got here and the door's open and there's stickers all over the door, so I know it's vacant. So let's walk around and check it out. Oh, it is on the corner of a very busy intersection. And you're going to be able to see real quick that this house is going to need a new roof plus windows for sure. The roof is shot, if you can tell from here, but it's a 3-tab roof and it's got to go. So this house is going to need a new roof. This is all aluminum siding. It's not even vinyl, but it's aluminum. Most of it's not in bad shape. A couple areas that need a little bit of repair. But you got a really big backyard. It's all fenced. Humongous trees that need to be probably dealt with. At least the ones over the roof. Insurance companies are going to want those at least 10 feet away from the roof, so that's going to have to be dealt with. But it's going to have a new roof anyway. It's going to have a new HVAC system. That's old. It looks shot. You got some busted windows, but the windows are original. I think this house was built in the 60s. It is brick, so that's a good positive. It's got a big corner lot. As you can tell, it is a little bit noisy from the traffic. Okay, so that's the outside. So you've got your outdoor storage laundry room area here. Another thing, the electrical is going to have to be upgraded. I can't hardly tell that hot water tank doesn't look old. I'll climb back there and look at it before I leave. But so I think the person owned this house deceased, and somebody was trying to do some kind of repairs to it, as you can tell. Now there's no power, so there's no lights, so you're just going to have to bear with me on the video. But here's your kitchen. So you always want to be looking at your electrical outlets, and you can see these are 2-prong. So you're definitely going to have an electrical upgrade in this house. Kitchen needs to really be revamped. At least open it up. Probably open this wall up too. The house is only around 1,000 square feet, so it's not very big. Here's your living room. Some of the flooring doesn't look bad, but I'm not sure if it's going to be salvageable. There's a couple bumpy areas. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, okay? You've got the original crank windows. I mean, those are old. It looks like somebody was upgrading the electrical by just replacing the receptacles. So here's your one full bath. Yeah, dated, ugly. What a lot of investors will do, they'll just come in here and reglaze and paint the tile, redo the flooring, put a nice toilet, vanity. Not sure if that tub's salvageable or not, but it's got to have a new window. And you got more peeling paint and stuff in here. Somebody was in the process of doing some repairs. Here's your 2nd bedroom. They were doing some sheetrock work. Like I said, it doesn't look like they were planning on replacing the windows, which is not good. You can never flip this house without doing the windows. Put some new doors in. Yeah, so you got some materials in here. You got some baseboard, crown molding, some doors. Somebody was doing knockdown texture here. One thing, this house has deep closets. They're not big, but they're deep. Okay, well here's your half bath. Yeah, this thing's gonna have to be, I mean, redone. Oh, you might as well gut this thing and redo it. Another busted window. So hopefully nothing more will happen to this house in the next week, but you never know. With the way people are nowadays, they'll destroy and tear up anything. Okay, so 1,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, needs roof, it needs an HVAC, it needs electrical, it needs flooring, paint, sheetrock work, kitchen updates. Yeah. I think the final judgment on this one is $94,000 and some change. So I don't foresee this one going, somebody buying this at the courthouse. I don't think there's enough numbers in it. Not to mention, a lot of people are going to be turned off by this right there. High traffic and really loud. Anyway, just want to do a quick video. I'll update it and see what happens to this property next week if somebody buys it or if it goes back to the bank. If it goes back to the bank, then it will be getting listed within the next probably 3 to 4 weeks. So we'll see. I appreciate it. Thanks.